Viewers, today I'm gonna make the pizza dough, easy recipe. So let's start. Here, I have here 1 cup of 100 degree Fahrenheit water. I put it here, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna pour here pizza 8 gram pack pizza yeast dough yeast. I'm gonna put it here, or you can put 1 teaspoon and quarter spoon pizza yeast, and then I put uh, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sugar, because the yeast feeds the sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar, and then half a teaspoon salt, and I rest a little bit, and then I have here unbleached flour or plasma flour. I'm gonna pour 3 cup, but first I have to put 1 cup. Gradually I put 3 cup. First I put 1 cup, and then I take the oil. I use canola oil, but you can use vegetable oil also. I put 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon. That's it. And then I put the pizza dough maker. Okay, now I'm gonna close it, and then slowly, first I run slow little bit, 1 or 2, then I stop. I put another cup of flour, then I run again. Then I stop, and the last cup I put flour. Last cup. It. I close the mixer machine and I run it. Here I have pizza dough ready. I'm gonna round it a little bit. make good ball, and then I cut in half because I'm gonna make 2 pizza, so I need 2 dough. So I cut half and half. Now I have a bowl here. I'm gonna put some palm the oil. I'm gonna spread here. I'm gonna put one dough is ready. I put here. I put on the top. Spray the pan, and I wrap it with the wrapping plastic. And I put in the freeze. In the fridge section, I put it overnight or a couple of hours. Then I can make the pizza. It's ready. So I store it in the fridge. It's ready. I put it in the fridge one night. Now I'm gonna spread it. Put some flour. Before I do this, I'm gonna put little bit of olive oil here in the pizza tray, and then I'm gonna spread a little bit flour, then the pizza dough. Extend it from around the sides. Now put little bit of olive oil on the top. Then I put the pizza sauce. Pizza sauce I put spread on the top of the pizza dough. Then I have capsicum here. capsicum here, mixed capsicum. So I spread it on the top. Spreading on the top. Then I have some olive, black olive. Then finally I put some shredded mozzarella cheese, spread it on the top gradually. And here I have preheated oven here. I put around 40 minutes, but I'm gonna already 10 minutes gone, so I am gonna bake it here 20 minutes, around 20 to 25 minutes, and it's ready. Thank you. It's ready from oven. It's cooked already. I put 400 degree Fahrenheit in 20 to 25 minutes, and it's done. So next time I'll bring another recipe, inshallah. Until then, take care and goodbye.